Alright, today we're going to take this and turn it into that. And I'm going to show you how. Okay, so we're going to take the Thor's hammer, and what we're going to do is we're going to trim the fat, trim it all up nice. We're going to take, you can see this skin here, we're going to take most of this off so the smoke will penetrate it. Take that, just peel it back and cut it as you go. Okay, so there you have it. It's all trimmed up and ready to go. We're going to put the spices to it. Okay, so we're going to take oil and we're going to drizzle oil all over it. And then we're going to rub the oil in and then rub the spices all over it. Salt, coarse ground pepper, red pepper flakes, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Okay, now we're going to take saran wrap. I'm going to lay a couple pieces out. Just put that aside. Any extra spice, spread it out over the saran wrap. Then we're going to take this, set it there. We're going to put the meat side down. We're going to wrap this, that. To start off, we're going to take the roll and we're going to wrap it really good. Right, so we're going to take that, we're going to put that in the fridge for, well, let's do 4 hours, and then we're going to smoke her. Should be good. Alright, so we got Thor's hammer all spiced up and ready to go, set in the fridge for 4 hours. We're going to unwrap it, put it in the smoker. We're going to smoke it on 220 until it reaches 170. And then we're going to wrap it in tin foil, and then we're going to bring it up to 203. And we're going to base it towards the end. So let's unwrap it and see what it looks like. Smells delicious. Alright, so I got the Thai 4 meat thermometer. We're going to insert that. Man, that looks and smells beautiful. Can't wait to try it. Alright. Insert that right in there. Try not to hit the bone because that will affect the temperature when we're going down in. So that's ready to smoke. We're going to throw that in the smoker and we're going to put a pan underneath it just to catch the drippings for later. Beautiful. Alright, so Thor's hammer is up to temperature. We're at 170. We're going to wrap it in tin foil. It's looking good. We're going to give a quick temperature check just to double check both thermometers. Oh, nice. Close to 170. Alright. So, what we're going to do first is the marrow and stuff in the bone. We're going to pour in here. Oh, look at that. Alright, set that aside. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to wrap this. So just take the tin foil, wrap it up nice. Alright, so we get it all wrapped up. We get it made into like a little cup or dish so it catches all the drippings. We're gonna take the bone marrow that we pour out. We're gonna pour that in over it. And then we got a cup of melted butter. We're gonna pour this in over it. Look, even pour some down where the bone marrow was. All right, so there you have it. We're putting it back in. I'm gonna slow cook it up to 203. Awesome. Just close that shut a little bit. Keep all the goodness in there. There we go. All right, so it's time to take it out of the smoker. What's this? All right, this is gonna be fun to unwrap. Oh, there you have it. We're gonna leave that cool. I'm gonna put the tin foil back up. We're gonna leave this cool for about a half an hour. Then we're gonna try it. We're not gonna leave this set all that long because we want to try it warm. It's been cooling for 20 minutes. We're gonna take it out and set it on this plate. Be careful because I didn't wrap it in butcher twine so it can fall apart. I like it like this. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so there you have it. Thor's hammer with all the fixings all done up. I made a little bit of gravy out of the sauce that was below it and just drizzled it over. I added a few scallops and shrimp, cowboy butter and some potatoes. So if you liked the video and you made it this far, hit the subscribe button and smash the like, and we'll make more of these recipes. So right now I'm gonna try it. Oh, it looks good. You know what, I'm gonna eat it. Oh, look at that. Break apart. Oh my. Wow. Beautiful. Got scallops, shrimp, butter, cheese down there. Let's try one of the shrimp. Awesome.